Managers here at Webshoutz, and today I'd like to show you exactly how we could help you grow your business online by building you a website that's able to come up on the Google results and help you grow your business. So today I want to talk about the SEO friendly websites that we create and the process of how we do it and what to expect and how long it would take and how to think about starting your business online, or even if you have an existing business, we could still help you build that website. Or if you have a website, we could still redesign that website. If you don't, we could just create one for you. So basically, this is all about building a website, the website creation process, and how it could help to grow your business. So at first, Webshoutz is an international company that has offices and here in the US in Las Vegas. It does have offices in Estonia in Europe and an office in Cairo, Egypt. And that helps us a lot with reducing the costs, having a diverse qualifications, people that have worked in multiple projects. And I would love to